Hi everyone, welcome back to Mommy Shelly's Kitchen. For today I am going to saute this bitter melon with pork and eggs, but I'm going to put this black bean garlic sauce in it. That's gonna be our twist there. So what do we have here? We have pork, we have green onions, white onions, garlic, tomatoes, red bell pepper, and of course our bitter melon. I have scrambled 2 eggs in here. I'm going to be using black pepper, garlic salt, and the black bean garlic sauce. Alright, let's get started. Alright, let's start sauteing our garlic and white onions here. We have tomatoes, and then our pepper. And then the green onion. Right. While our spices are still cooking, I'm going to prep this one, the meat. I'll put a little bit of soy sauce in here. Pepper, garlic salt with parsley in it, a little bit of sugar. Just mix that in. I also would like to add here the black bean garlic sauce, just a tablespoon of it, and just simply mix it up. I like to mix it up before I will saute it with the. Alright, I'm going to add the pork here with seasoning already. Just mix it in. And let's cover it for maybe 3 to 5 minutes. And now I would like to add chili oil. There. And I'm going to add our bitter melon. So, add the bitter melon. Mix it in. I'll cover it first for another 3 minutes before I will add the eggs. Alright. And cover. I added fresh parsley in my eggs. We're gonna add the eggs now after 3 minutes. Let's mix it in. cover for another 1 minute and that should be done. All right, it's plating time. So we'll just transfer our bitter gourd here. Can't wait to eat it with rice, of course. Here is our final bitter melon, sautéed bitter melon with pork, eggs, and black bean garlic sauce in it. With chili sauce, of course. So there you have it, everyone. I hope you had a great time cooking with me, and if you like it, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share. And I will see you all next time. Happy cooking, everyone, and thank you for watching.